Have you noticed that every few months there's a new miracle hair growth oil, castor oil, rosemary oil, batana oil, and now pumpkin seed oil? But here's the question. Is pumpkin seed oil just another social media trend? Or could this be one of the most overlooked natural solutions for people struggling with thinning hair and excessive shedding? Today we're taking a deep dive into pumpkin seed oil for hair growth. I will be talking to you about the science, the benefits, how to use it, and what kind of results you can realistically expect. And I want you to stay until the end because I'm going to share the biggest mistake people tend to make when using pumpkin seed oil. A mistake that often prevents them from seeing results. Section 1. Why people are losing hair. Before we talk about pumpkin seed oil, we need to understand why hair loss happens in the first place. Most people think hair loss is simply genetic. While genetics can play a role, there are often other factors involved, like stress, hormonal changes, inflammation, nutritional deficiencies, poor scalp health, and one of the biggest culprits is a hormone called DHT. DHT stands for dihydrotestosterone. In some people, DHT attaches to hair follicles and gradually causes them to shrink. The follicles become smaller, hair strands become thinner, growth slows down. Eventually, some follicles stop producing visible hair altogether. This process is one reason many people experience thinning around the crown, temples, and hairline. And this is where pumpkin seed oil starts getting attention. Section 2. What makes pumpkin seed oil special? Pumpkin seed oil is rich in nutrients that support overall hair health. It contains vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, omega-6 fatty acids, zinc, magnesium, antioxidants. These nutrients help nourish the scalp and support healthy follicles. But what really makes pumpkin seed oil stand out is its potential relationship with DHT. Researchers believe that pumpkin seed oil may help reduce the effects of DHT on hair follicles. This doesn't mean it completely blocks DHT, and it doesn't mean it works like a prescription medication. But it may help create a healthier environment for hair growth. That possibility is why so many people are paying attention. Section 3. Benefits of pumpkin seed oil for hair. Benefit number 1. It may help reduce shedding. One of the first things many users notice is less hair falling during wash day. Healthier follicles tend to hold on to hair longer. Reducing excessive shedding is often the first step towards seeing fuller hair. Benefit number 2. It's known to support thickness. Hair growth isn't just about length, it's about density. Pumpkin seed oil may help support thicker-looking strands over time. Benefit number 3. Nourishes the scalp. A healthy scalp grows healthier hair. The fatty acids in pumpkin seed oil help moisturize and nourish the scalp. Benefit number 4. Helps fight oxidative stress. Free radicals can contribute to follicle damage. The antioxidants in pumpkin seed oil help protect against this damage. Benefit number 5. Improves hair appearance. Even before significant growth occurs, many people notice shinier, softer, healthier looking hair. Section 4. How to use pumpkin seed oil. Now let's talk about application. Method 1. Scalp massage. Apply a small amount directly to the scalp. Massage gently for 3 to 5 minutes. This will help improve circulation while distributing the oil evenly. Method 2. Overnight treatment. Apply the oil before bed. Cover your hair with a satin bonnet. Wash out the next morning. Method 3. Oil blend. Mix pumpkin seed oil with rosemary oil, jojoba oil, castor oil. This creates a powerful growth-supporting blend. Section 5. What results can you expect? Let's be realistic. No oil grows hair overnight. Week 1 to 2, softer hair, better scalp moisture, less dryness. Week 3 to 6, reduced shedding, stronger strands month 2 to 4, improved density, fuller appearance, better length retention. Consistency is everything. Section 6, the biggest mistake people make. The biggest mistake? Using pumpkin seed oil while continuing habits that damage hair. No oil can outwork tight hairstyles, excessive heat, chronic stress, poor nutrition, rough handling. Think of pumpkin seed oil as a helper, not a miracle cure. It works best when combined with healthy hair habits. So, does pumpkin seed oil work for hair growth? It may help reduce shedding, support scalp health, improve thickness, and create a healthier environment for growth. But the real secret isn't just the oil, it's consistency. If you've tried pumpkin seed oil before, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you're thinking about trying it, comment Pumpkin Seed Oil Challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more natural hair growth tips that actually make sense. Because healthy hair isn't built overnight. It's built one healthy choice at a time.